Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Yes, you know we are Piranha Travelers. Today, we are so excited to be here in Rome, the Eternal City. It's a place that's been on my bucket list for as long as I can remember, and I can't wait to share my experiences with you. Before I dive into the must-see sites, I want to give you a few tips to help you plan your trip to Rome. But first, I want to talk about some of the things I wish I had known before I went. Walk whenever possible. Rome is a very walkable city, and the best way to see it is on foot. This will give you a chance to soak up the atmosphere and discover hidden gems that you might miss if you're taking the bus or taxi all the time. And start now. First, buy a Roma pass. This pass will give you free or discounted entry to many of Rome's top attractions, as well as unlimited use of public transportation. It's a great way to save money and see more of the city. Learn a few basic Italian phrases. Even if you don't speak Italian fluently, knowing a few basic phrases will go a long way in helping you communicate with the locals. Be prepared for crowds. Rome is a popular tourist destination, so expect crowds at popular attractions. Plan your visits accordingly and be patient. Embrace the Roman way of life. Slow down, savor the moment, and enjoy the art of passeggiata, evening stroll, as you immerse yourself in the city's vibrant atmosphere. The Colosseum. Step back in time and witness the grandeur of the Roman Empire at the Colosseum, the iconic amphitheater where gladiatorial contests and public spectacles once took place. Also known as the Flavian Amphitheater, is undoubtedly the most emblematic monument in Rome and one of the 7 wonders of the modern world. Piazza Navona. Immerse yourself in the lively atmosphere of Piazza Navona, a vibrant square adorned with 3 stunning fountains, including Bernini's masterpiece, the Fountain of the 4 Rivers. Trevi Fountain. Toss a coin into the Trevi Fountain, a Baroque masterpiece, to ensure your return to Rome. Legend has it that if you toss the coin over your shoulder, you'll guarantee your future return to the Eternal City. Vatican City. Step into the Vatican City, the world's smallest country and the center of the Catholic faith. Explore St. Peter's Square, St. Peter's Basilica, and the Vatican Museums, home to priceless works of art, including Michelangelo's Sistine Chapel. Gianicolo Time-Lapse. Perched atop the Janiculum Hill, also known as the Gianicolo, this mesmerizing time-lapse video captures the eternal city of Rome basking in the golden hues of sunrise and surrendering to the velvet embrace of twilight. Amalfi Coast. Embark on a captivating journey along the Amalfi Coast, where each village unveils its unique character and captivating allure. Positano, clinging precariously to the cliffs, is a visual symphony of colorful houses cascading towards the turquoise waters. Wander through its narrow, labyrinthine streets, lined with charming boutiques and inviting cafes, and soak in the vibrant atmosphere. Pompeii. A frozen city in time. Buried beneath layers of volcanic ash for nearly 2,000 years, the ancient Roman city of Pompeii offers an unparalleled glimpse into the past. Frozen in time, its remarkably preserved ruins provide a captivating window into the lives of everyday people during the Roman Empire. A journey back in time. Step into the streets of Pompeii and embark on a journey back in time. Wander through grand villas adorned with intricate frescoes and mosaics, where wealthy Romans once resided. Explore bustling shops and markets, where merchants haggled over goods and the air hummed with activity. Borghese Gardens. A haven of tranquility in the heart of Rome. Nestled amidst the bustling heart of Rome, the Borghese Gardens offer a tranquil oasis of beauty and serenity. Immerse yourself in the world of art and culture as you explore the garden's many attractions. Visit the renowned Galleria Borghese, home to a breathtaking collection of masterpieces by Bernini, Caravaggio, and Raphael. Admire the grandeur of the Temple of Asclepius, a replica of an ancient Greek temple. The Pantheon, an enduring symbol of Roman ingenuity. Standing majestically in the heart of Rome, the Pantheon is an awe-inspiring testament to the architectural ingenuity and enduring legacy of the Roman Empire. This remarkably preserved ancient structure, dating back to the 2nd century AD, has captivated visitors for centuries with its harmonious blend of grandeur and technical prowess. A marvel of Roman engineering. Step inside the Pantheon and be greeted by an extraordinary sight. A vast, domed interior illuminated by a celestial oculus, the only natural source of light. This architectural marvel, a feat of engineering that defied the limitations of its time, showcases the Romans' mastery of concrete and their innovative use of arches and vaults.
Piazza di Spagna,
where history and beauty converge. Nestled at the foot of the Pincian Hill, the Piazza di Spagna is one of Rome's most iconic and beloved squares. Renowned for its captivating blend of Baroque architecture, vibrant atmosphere, and rich historical significance, this piazza has been a popular gathering spot for centuries, attracting locals and visitors alike. A masterpiece of Baroque architecture. Step into the Piazza di Spagna and be greeted by a visual feast of Baroque splendor. The Galleria Borghese, a treasure trove of artistic masterpieces. Nestled within the verdant embrace of the Villa Borghese Gardens, the Galleria Borghese stands as a sanctuary of artistic wonders, housing an extraordinary collection of masterpieces that chronicle the pinnacle of human creativity. This renowned art gallery, once the private domain of the Borghese family, now unveils its treasures to the world, offering an unparalleled journey through the history of art. A journey through artistic eras. Step inside the Galleria Borghese and embark on a captivating journey through the artistic eras. Wander through grand halls adorned with intricate frescoes and sculptures, where masterpieces by renowned artists await your discovery. Trastevere, a Roman tapestry of history, charm, and vibrant life. Nestled across the Tiber River from Rome's historic center, Trastevere is a captivating neighborhood that exudes an irresistible charm, a harmonious blend of ancient history, artistic flair, and a distinctly Roman spirit. Its narrow, cobblestone streets, adorned with ivy-clad buildings and colorful storefronts, invite leisurely strolls and hidden gem discoveries. Tuscany, a tapestry of rolling hills, vineyards, and artistic treasures. Nestled in the heart of Italy, Tuscany is a region of captivating beauty, where rolling hills adorned with vineyards and olive groves stretch as far as the eye can see. Renowned for its rich artistic heritage, delectable cuisine, and captivating culture, Tuscany has long enchanted travelers from around the globe. Embark on a journey through Tuscany's picturesque landscapes, where medieval towns perched atop hills overlook sun-drenched valleys. Venice, a Venetian escape, unveiling the enchanting city of canals. Venture beyond the eternal city and embark on a captivating journey to Venice, a city unlike any other. Unveiling Venice's treasures. Your Venetian adventure begins in the heart of the city, Piazza San Marco, where St. Mark's Basilica, adorned with Byzantine mosaics, stands as a testament to the city's glorious past. Ascend the Campanile for breathtaking views of the city's labyrinthine canals and terracotta rooftops. Next, embark on a gondola ride, gliding through the narrow waterways under the enchanting bridges that crisscross the city. Let the gentle sway of the gondola lull you into a state of tranquility as you soak in the sights and sounds of this enchanting city. In the afternoon, immerse yourself in the artistic masterpieces of the Doge's Palace, once the seat of Venetian power. Wander through its opulent halls, adorned with intricate carvings and paintings, and imagine the grandeur of bygone eras. Discovering hidden gems and culinary delights. Venture beyond the main tourist attractions and discover the hidden gems that Venice has to offer. Stroll through the charming neighborhoods of Dorsoduro and Cannaregio, where narrow alleyways, quaint shops, and local cafes await your exploration. Indulge in the culinary delights of Venetian cuisine, savoring cicchetti, small bites of seafood and local delicacies, at traditional Baccari wine bars. Savor the rich flavors of risotto alla veneziana, a creamy rice dish infused with saffron, or delight in the delicate sweetness of tiramisu, a Venetian dessert made with ladyfingers, mascarpone, and espresso. Thanks for watching. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And if you've been to Rome, I'd love to hear about your experience. See you soon with new content.